Step back in time with this stunning 1956 Pontiac Pathfinder, a classic gem that can be yours for just $17,500. Nestled in the charming town of Maple Ridge, this vehicle boasts a clean title, automatic transmission, and a thrilling gas engine with just 18,000 miles on the odometer. You'll admire its good condition with no rust, although it may require a little love on the headliner and driver's side seat. A timeless piece like this not only captures the nostalgia of a bygone era, but also pays homage to the artistry of vintage automobiles. Now is the perfect moment to own a piece of history that turns heads everywhere it goes. If you're an enthusiast or looking to invest in something special for restoration, this Pontiac Pathfinder represents both passion and potential. For more information and to see stunning photos, be sure to check the link in the description. This stunning 1960 Austin Healey Sprite has been meticulously restored to its original glory, preserving both the classic charm and power of a true vintage vehicle. With only 60,000 miles on the odometer, this car runs like new, boasting a 4-cylinder engine, manual transmission, and rear-wheel drive. The convertible top and rare hardtop give you the flexibility to enjoy every season, while the clean title guarantees peace of mind. Located in Mattituck, New York, this Buick Sprite is a real gem. If you're looking to own a piece of automotive history that's in pristine condition and still ready for the road, this is a steal at $17,000. Don't miss out. Check out the link in the description for more details and photos. Whether you're a collector or simply someone who appreciates classic cars, this is a solid investment. This 1960 Chevrolet panel delivery is a true gem for vintage car lovers. With its classic white exterior and 283 V8 engine, it carries the power and reliability that has made Chevrolet a household name. The automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive provide a smooth, nostalgic ride, while the low miles and original condition mean this vehicle is a rare find. Its clean title adds peace of mind for the next lucky owner. Whether you're looking to restore it to its full glory or enjoy it as it is, this panel delivery offers an opportunity to own a piece of automotive history. At $17,500, it's a great investment for anyone who appreciates the beauty of a well-preserved classic. Don't miss out on this chance to add a timeless treasure to your collection. For more details and photos, check the link in the description. Step back in time with this stunning 1961 Buick LeSabre convertible. Yours for just $10,000, right here in Beaverdale, Iowa. With a powerful 8-cylinder engine that has been meticulously refreshed to run on unleaded gas, this classic is not just a pretty face. It's a reliable driver boasting a clean title and only 110,600 miles on the odometer. The automatic transmission makes cruising effortless, while the bright yellow paint grabs attention wherever you go. Sure, it has some cosmetic needs, such as bubbling around the rockers and a few dings, but think of it as an opportunity for personal touch. Whether you're an avid collector or just want a taste of vintage Americana, this Buick offers a great blend of charm and mechanical integrity. A new power steering pump and other recent upgrades ensure you won't just sit and stare. You'll want to hit the road. Don't miss your chance to own a piece of history. Check the link in the description for more photos and details. It could be your next adventure. This 1961 Chevrolet Corvair 95 Rampside Deluxe is a true classic. With only 61,000 miles on the clock and a clean title, it's an excellent piece of automotive history. Powered by a 1966 95 horsepower engine mated to a manual transmission, it runs and drives great. The car has undergone extensive restoration with a complete brake system overhaul, all-new fuel system, fresh shocks, exhaust, and weather stripping. The body, originally from Texas, is free of rust with new metal replacing the old, currently in primer. It's registered and road-ready, and with no leaks, it's a true find. The seller's passion for Corvairs spans over 4 decades, and now it's time for a new owner to bring this vintage beauty to its full potential. For $10,000, you're getting a solid project that is priced well below its market value when restored. If you're looking for a reliable classic or a project to finish, this is a steal. Check out the link in the description for more details and photos. Don't miss out on this opportunity. This 1961 Ford Thunderbird is a classic beauty that exudes vintage charm, available for just $11,000 in Brooksville, Florida. With only 87,000 miles, this coupe is powered by a recently rebuilt 390 V8 engine, which has a 7-year warranty from Alert Automotive in Spring Hill, something you can't even find in a brand new car. The automatic transmission shifts smoothly, offering a driving experience that's both powerful and reliable. The white exterior still shines with that timeless elegance, though it's important to note that this Thunderbird doesn't have AC. Its clean title confirms a well-maintained history, ready for a new owner to enjoy or restore. Whether you're a collector or simply looking for a stylish ride, this car is a great option, blending vintage appeal with modern reliability. Visit the link in the description for more details and photos, and make this iconic classic part of your collection today. The price is fair for its condition, but if you're looking for a solid project, it could be a great investment for future restoration. Get ready to turn heads with this classic 1961 Ford Thunderbird, priced at $15,000 in Tracy, California. This beauty features an 8-cylinder engine with just 47,000 miles, promising smooth power and performance. With its automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive, it delivers that perfect vintage ride experience. The exterior, wrapped in black, might have a few touches needed on the chrome, but with a clean title and new upgrades like tires, carburetor, starter, and exhaust, this Thunderbird is ready to cruise. The new parts speak volumes about the owner's commitment to keeping it in shape, but the wrap gives it a modern edge while the classic lines still shine through. This coupe might need a little TLC, but if you're a lover of vintage cars, this Thunderbird is a solid option. Perfect for those who dream of restoration or just enjoying a vintage joyride. Check out the link in the description for more details and photos. Given the price and condition, it's definitely worth considering for anyone looking to own a piece of American automotive history. or dive into a restoration project. Here's a gem from 1962 that could be the perfect addition to your collection or next restoration project. A well-maintained International Harvester, offered at $12,500 in Lockport, New York. This classic stands out with its excellent condition, featuring a strong V8 engine, four-wheel drive, and a manual transmission that adds that vintage driving experience. The has just 1,000 miles on the odometer, and the brown paint still shines, making it a rare find. It also comes equipped with power steering and brakes, ensuring a smoother ride than you'd expect from a 1960s vehicle. Whether you're a collector, enthusiast, or someone who loves a good restoration project, this is worth considering. The price is reasonable, and its condition could make it a solid investment if you're into classic vehicles. For more information and photos, check out the link in the description. This 1962 Chevrolet Impala four-door hardtop is a true classic in good condition, priced at $12,500 or best offer. Located in Hanover Park, Illinois, it boasts an 8-cylinder engine, rear-wheel drive, and a clean title. With just 63,000 miles on the odometer, this beauty still runs and drives smoothly. The owner has recently added a number of new parts, including front disc brakes, Edelbrock carburetor, brake booster, coil springs, and more. While there's some surface rust, it's been sprayed with rust preventer, preserving its structure. The original seats and headliner are still intact, though the headliner is showing signs of wear. This vehicle is ready for its next chapter, whether you're looking to restore it to its former glory or enjoy it as is. If you're a fan of American classics, this Chevy Impala could be the perfect addition to your collection. Check out the link in the description for more details and pictures. At this price, it's definitely worth considering, especially if you're up for a project or looking to preserve a piece of automotive history. Step into a piece of automotive history with this stunning 1962 Sunbeam Alpine, yours for just $16,995. Located in Penhold, just south of Red Deer, this striking convertible is not just a car, it's a lifestyle. With only 37,000 miles on the odometer, this British classic boasts a clean title and is in good condition, ready to turn heads. Powered by a sprightly 4-cylinder engine and paired with a manual transmission, it offers a nostalgic driving experience that lets you truly connect with the road. Finished in carnival red, the car's aesthetic appeal is undeniable, especially when combined with its elegant black interior. Whether you're cruising under the summer sun with the top down or impressing friends at car shows, this Sunbeam Alpine is the perfect blend of style and performance. The price reflects the unique character and condition of this classic. Don't miss your chance to own this piece of history. For more details and photos, check out the link in the description.